All right, I wanted to do an overview of the automatic bandsaw sawmill sharpener, and I've got a Woodland Mills HM126, and this is a 7/8 inch pitch. And kudos to the guy who did the YouTube video passing it along. That's where I get all the measurements, and I watched that about at least 20 times just to get all the details. Hardest part was definitely the cam, the profile, getting that worked out. You can see here I have a couple of iterations. Made it a couple different ways and made one smaller. Actually even 3D printed one, and it has a very similar profile, but it's a little too small. So I was originally going to use a windshield wiper motor, but having this gear on here, this part here, made it difficult to have something to transition. So I ended up ordering a 12-volt motor and the little shaft adapter here. That's an 8mm shaft, so that worked out well. Just hooked up to a 12-volt battery and just your old Harbor Freight chainsaw sharpener that's been converted. I've got this set to a 10-degree angle going down that way. Of course, you can alter this angle to 7 or 14, whatever you're going to be cutting. It works pretty good. You can see I've run it around a couple times and it's good and sharp. I'll run that in a few moments. But I also made a tooth setter as well. And somebody sent me this link, and I had observed it. And I thought, well, you know what, that's not too difficult. Put it in the vise here, and you just move it across accordingly. And it sets the teeth pretty well. I use my dial indicator here to check it. And I have a micrometer as well. So I've set that to about 24 thou. Yeah, all in all, pretty good. Cobbled this together with parts that I have here. I think the only thing I did buy, again, was the motor and the adapter. I will probably make this out of metal or aluminum or something to get a little bit more resilience to it. But my goodness, it works. All right, I'll show you a video shortly of this in operation. Now I just got it doing the back of the tooth here, but I did adjust it down and was doing the whole gullet and the backside. Yeah, and that's a lot coming off, I realize. But this is an old blade, so I wanted to make sure that everything was operational, and you can see that just does it. I will fashion some arms to come out here so that it's not just sitting on a hammer. But yeah, hardest part was the cam. Definitely getting that worked in. It took a lot of time to grind it and so on and so forth, but it's good. All right, enjoy.